7 Hidden Clues of Attraction, Married Women Revealed. Understanding attraction and its nuances can be complex, and it's important to approach the topic with sensitivity and respect for all individuals involved. When it comes to attraction, it's crucial to prioritize healthy and ethical relationships. While discussing attraction among married women, it's important to be aware of the complexities and the potential impact on all parties. Here are 7 hidden clues of attraction that may sometimes be observed in various contexts, including among married women. 1. Emotional connection. An emotional connection can be a significant clue of attraction. Married women may form strong emotional bonds with others, including friends or colleagues, which can sometimes be an indication of attraction. 2. Shared interests. Common interests and hobbies can bring people closer together. If a married woman shares a significant number of interests with someone outside her marriage, it may signify a deeper connection. 3. Increased time together. Spending more time with a person outside of the marriage, especially one-on-one time, may indicate a growing attraction. This could involve working on projects together or simply enjoying each other's company. 4. Flirtatious behavior. Flirtatious behavior, such as playful teasing, compliments, and physical touch, for example, hugging, can be a sign of attraction. It's important to recognize that this behavior can vary widely in intensity and intent. 5. Emotional support. Seeking emotional support from someone other than a spouse may be a hidden clue of attraction. This can include sharing personal problems or seeking comfort during challenging times. 6. Desire for intimacy. Expressing a desire for more intimate conversations, such as discussing personal dreams, desires, or secrets, can indicate a deepening connection. 7. Comparisons. Comparing the person outside the marriage with a spouse can be an unspoken clue of attraction. This may involve highlighting similarities or favorable qualities. It's essential to emphasize that these clues are not inherently problematic, and many of them can apply to platonic friendships as well. Attraction and emotional connections can exist outside of romantic relationships and marriages. The key is to approach these situations with transparency, communication, and respect for the boundaries and commitments within the marriage. If you find yourself in a situation where you're attracted to a married woman, it's important to consider the ethical and emotional implications. Open and honest communication is essential. In many cases, discussing your feelings with the married woman involved and, if applicable, her spouse can help navigate the situation in a way that respects the feelings and boundaries of everyone involved. Additionally, seeking professional guidance from a therapist or counselor can provide valuable insights into managing complex emotions and relationships. Whether you are the married woman or the individual experiencing attraction, ultimately, prioritizing healthy and respectful relationships is of utmost importance.